Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Je m'appelle Binta et je suis une software engineer qui vit en Caroline du Sud, more precisely in Charlotte. I currently work hybrid, meaning some days I'm in the office and then some days I work from home. Et aujourd'hui, je travaille étant à la maison, ce qui fait que je vais vous faire passer une journée avec moi. Today's one of those days where I do work from home and I'm going to take you along my days. I used to work fully remotely, and honestly, being a fresh grad, I didn't really like it, right? I didn't really like the remote environment because I feel like I couldn't really connect with coworkers, with managers, because getting a promotion is about who knows you and who you know eventually. Snack break, I'm having some carrots, grapes, and some cheese. These are healthier snacks. I've been on a secret weight loss journey and I've lost 30 pounds so far. It's been 4 months. But yeah, I personally didn't want to make a whole series like, oh, my weight loss journey, record everything because I didn't want that whole pressure. I mean, like having cameras on you and everything. I didn't want that. I just decided to do it. And I feel so much better about myself. Like my confidence is through the roof. I feel so much better, and but I'm so happy for how far I've come, and I still feel like I have a longer journey. I didn't always used to be like kind of thick. I used to be skinny, but then I went through like a rough part in my life. I was stressed, like my last semester of college, like a year ago, and that was it for me. I was eating one big meal a day, and that's how I got screwed over. So one commonly asked question is, what exactly does a software engineer do, right? In my case, I work on already existing system, meaning let's say there's an app, right? My role is to add new features to that app and making sure it runs smoothly without sharing too much information. Some of the tools I've been using are VS Code, for editing, GitHub for code changes, Postman for API. I really like Postman. It's something I've been using lately and I really like it. I've been using Grafana, which is like a monitoring app. I've also been using Power BI, and believe it or not, I've been using PowerPoint because let's say you have a product or a new feature you added, right? You have to be able to make a presentation and show that to the product owner and be like, hey, this feature is for this feature. This user case is for that specific feature. So you have to be able to explain that. So yeah, I really like being a software engineer, but I'm not gonna lie, it's sometimes it gets frustrating. I'm like, I wanna, I can't. Mais j'aime bien être ingénieur. Je pense que c'est une carrière que j'ai personnellement voulu faire depuis que je suis toute petite. C'est un truc que j'ai tout le temps voulu faire et j'aime bien. J'aime bien être développeuse ou développeur. Project, whenever I'm stuck coding and I want a good laugh, I always go to this website called Dear Friend, where it's a community where it's super anonymous. You can post how you feel. It's mainly like developers, programmers that go in there and just rant. For example, this person said, yesterday my 9 to 5 posted a job that fits closely to my position. Like, should I fear? Like, it's so funny. Like, some of the jokes are funny, and whenever I want like a good laugh, I was going different. And also blind can be funny, but I feel like blind it's more serious. When I go there, it's always like, what are you doing? Like the recent layoffs or anything. But honestly, the community you have being a developer, I love it. I never feel like lonely. You know, there's always someone out there to talk to. There's always something. But yeah. One thing I've been doing lately that has really helped me just be at peace is reading. Because, you know, spending the entire day in front of the computer in meetings, coding can be very mentally draining. Currently reading The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. She's really good. The first book that got me into her was The Co-worker. This one right here, it's really, really good. Joining a book club is on my bingo card this year. I really want to join a community of people where we share the same passion of reading. You know, I've really loved reading as of lately. Whew, what a day. It's currently 8:30 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go to bed. But I think I'm going to go watch Solo Leveling. That show is really, really good. I know a lot of people that follow me are computer science students or people that have interest in software engineering or want to break into tech. I just wanted to say I'm rooting for you. I believe in you. I know it's not easy. I've been through it. I'm going through it, but I promise once you get your very first internship, once you get your very first yes, you get a job, it's going to be so worth it and rewarding. I just want to say, hang in there, you got this. I'm rooting for you, I'm believing in you. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok and Instagram where I share daily lifestyle video, coding, all the good stuff. You know,